Okay, today we have a S-Max 2012 in. Customer found water in the passenger front footwell and the rear little back pocket. I have lifted up the carpet. It's a bit damp under there, but nothing major. But if we look closely, we can see that there's loads of black mould up there, so we don't want to breathe that in. And there's signs that someone's been in there to do a repair on the welded seam down there. If we come to the back, this is where it's all collecting in the little cubby hole. I've got a special machine here which shows us if it's wet or not. So that beeping's telling me that it's wet there. So obviously the problem it can cause is it can cause obviously mould. It can smell as well, and it can also cause electrical problems. If I just show you this down here by the seat belt. So we've actually got a little plant growing in the carpet. So it's got to have to be decontaminated as well. Coming round to the back, there's a couple of points. First point is this top welded seam. We can see that the crack started to appear. So we would advise obviously re-sealing that there. It isn't coming in at the moment, but it's only going to take time and it will come in eventually. This one on this side has previously been sealed by somebody, but we would probably recommend doing the two. Also, we've got the centre brake light up here. I don't know if you can see, but we've got water inside the box section. So that's coming through the centre light. So it's coming through the centre light just there. If we go around to the front scuttle area, the front scuttle area is not releasing water as good as it should do. It should pour out, but this is quite slow. So we're going to put some water on the front here. So it only seems to be coming out the front and none coming out the back. So it's possible the scuttle area is blocked. So we could do with obviously cleaning that out so it all runs nicely. And now we're going to show you what the main leak was. So let me just get myself sorted out. We've got a twisty camera here which is going up into the box sections, so I'm just going to go and turn the hose on and then we can see what we can see.